What is up, everybody? This is Stock Market Education, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not Uber's stock price will double in 2020. Uber's IPO price was $45 in May of 2019. Their goal at that time was to grow revenue to increase their market share. Investors hated this strategy, and the stock price plummeted 26% a share. In response, though, Uber cleaned up their act and focused on profitability instead. One way they're doing this is by selling out of the Eats business in competitive markets like India. They sold Uber Eats in India to Zomato for 10% stake in their company, which means Zomato increased their market share significantly and will be able to generate vast amounts of revenue. That will come back to Uber because they have a 10% stake in that company. In other words, Uber will now begin to make money in the Eats business instead of losing money. If you were to look at Uber's company fundamentals in May of 2019, it lacked direction towards profitability, and now it's currently trading at $41 a share and is in a much better position for gaining profitability for Q4 of 2020. Which brings us back to our main question of, will Uber's stock price double in 2020? And the answer is probably not. Let me explain. A stock going up 100% in a year is extremely rare in the stock market. The most bullish price targets I could find for Uber is 70%, which is very far off from 100%, with most analysts giving Uber a price target of around $50 a share for an 18% increase, which I think is wrong. $50 a share is extremely low of a price target, especially when you factor in the cost structure of 55% of revenue dropping to the bottom line, and their rideshare business is growing 25 to 30% year over year. Not even mentioning that their Eats business grew 70%, Frights grew 75%, and other bets grew 192%. This should be a $50 stock now and a $60 to $65 stock in about a year or so. Although I don't think Uber will double in 2020, there's still a great opportunity for the stock to outperform the markets. With that being said, Uber is a stock that should be on every single person's watch list, and that's it. Bye.